Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can add Instagram highlights without adding to story. So you have an Instagram account that you use for a long time, you have all your friends and families connected to you there. You create a lot of posts in that Instagram profile, but now you want to create some highlights for your Instagram profile, but you don't want to upload it to a story and you want to add it to your highlights, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to create an Instagram highlight without adding it to your story. It's a bit of a lengthy process, so you need to be patient to do this process. So to add a Instagram highlights without adding it to a story, what you want to do is open an Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, log into the account that you want to create the highlights for. Once you're logged into that account, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side corner. Once you do that, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. From the three bars, what you want to do is go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, what you want to do is go into your privacy settings. From your privacy settings, select the option label as story. Once you select the option label as story, the first section you'll see is hide story from. Now tap on the zero people option. Once you tap on the hide story from option, select all the contacts and hide their story from them. Once you select all the contacts you have in this profile, what you want to do is go back. Once you go back, go to your home page. Once you go to your home page, what you want to do is add the photo that you want to add to your highlights in your story. Once you upload a story after hiding it from all the contacts that you have, it's equivalent to not uploading a story because no one will be able to see it. Once you do it, what you want to do is go back to your profile. Once you go to your profile, what you want to do is tap on the new button to create a new highlight for your Instagram profile. So tap on the new button. Once you tap on the new button, here you can see all the stories that you have uploaded till date. Now from here, select the photo that you want to add to your highlights and tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, create a highlight name cover for your highlights. Once you create a name, tap on the done button. Once you tap on the done button, you will successfully add the photo to your Instagram highlights. So that was the simple step in order to create an Instagram highlight to your Instagram profile without adding the photo to your story. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.